We often mistake strength for a force that pushes forward, a relentless grip on the things we desire. But true strength, the kind that endures, often appears in what no longer controls you. It's the quiet power found in letting go, in the space you create when you release the tension you've been holding for so long. It's the calm realization that you don't have to fight every current. Sometimes, strength is simply the ability to float, to trust that the water will hold you. Think of the heavy burdens you once carried as essential, the constant need for certain approvals, the quiet hum of comparison that played in the background of your mind, the echo of old needs from a person you no longer are. When these things begin to lose their power, when their voices fade from demands to whispers, an unburdened strength quietly grows in their place. It isn't an addition, but a subtraction, a clearing of space for your own authentic presence to finally breathe. This is where freedom begins. It doesn't announce itself with a grand arrival. It shows itself subtly through a reduced sense of chasing. The frantic energy of pursuit begins to soften. The finish line you were sprinting toward reveals itself to have been an illusion, a horizon that moved with you. Instead of chasing a distant idea of happiness, you find it in the texture of the present moment. Freedom is the stillness you discover when you stop running. It's the richness of a single, conscious breath. It's the warmth of the sun on your skin without the need to capture it. It's the simple act of being without the pressure of becoming. So take a moment. Notice what has less control over you now than it did a year ago or even yesterday. Acknowledge the anxieties that have loosened their grip, the opinions that no longer define your worth, the futures you've stopped desperately planning for. In these small, quiet spaces of release, you will find your strength. You will find your freedom. You will find yourself waiting patiently.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.